Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your TV is online and you're signed into the platform account. Once done, make sure there's enough free storage to install an update. Now navigate directly to the TV's App Store or the Apps menu. You want to locate the specific app you'll update. This is where the system lists available updates. While you're on this screen, note version numbers and any available changelog so you understand what will change after the update. You select the app and choose Update, or go into Manage and pick Update. The interface varies, but the action is the same. During installation, watch the progress bar and avoid interrupting power or network, because partial installs can corrupt app data. If the TV supports background updating, check that Auto Update is enabled so future updates are automatic. Make sure to read prompts about permissions or data changes, so you accept only what you understand before the update completes. After the update finishes, you should restart the app and, if needed, reboot the TV to ensure new components load correctly. If the app misbehaves, clear its cache or data, and if that fails, reinstall the app entirely. As a final troubleshooting tip, if updates fail repeatedly, confirm firmware is current and factory reset only as a last resort. Contact the TV maker or app developer with error codes. This sequence prevents lost settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.